How to remove Google account from YouTube application. I'm going to show in this video in my Android phones that how you can remove extra YouTube account or Google account, you can say, on from your YouTube applications. So I will show you two way you can remove it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I'm on my Android phone. So this is my, I'm going to show you my YouTube application. So this is my YouTube application, guys. Okay, so it's opening. So it's opening. So I will show my channel and email ID. Just I have to click on this profile icon, and if I click on this, you know, um, this sign, you see the all details which you have logged in with your, your YouTube application. So how you can remove it? There is a two way. First, go to the manage account, and when you log in many account in YouTube application, guys, so you are unable to add the more account or channel. But in my case, you can see I have you can see the plus channel where I can add my another account. But I will show you how I can remove it. Go to the manage account and select the account which you want to remove. Just click on it and you can remove from here. If you go in Google account, so it will be take to the your Google account details. So this is your all details. So here, guys, when you remove it, it will be removed from your UI, so you can log in again with your Gmail application. Okay, so there is another way, but it will be remove all account from your application. Okay, go to the setting and go to the app, and here you have to find the YouTube application. Just you can find the if you don't find here, you can see all the app and you can find out it, and go to the YouTube application. So go to the storage and caches and click on clear storage. Okay, so it will be remove all accounts from YouTube only, not Gmail application and your browser. The account will be removed on YouTube only, from YouTube only. So now you can add the another so I will not show you to click on this because I don't want to remove it. So that is how you can remove Google account from YouTube. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.